Hello friends, welcome back to our channel All in One Telugu to English. Today we are going to practice prepositions in a simple way. You will see sentences with blanks like the cat is dash the table and you will get three options like this. Your task is to choose the right preposition. Don't worry. After every question, I will also explain why the correct answer is right. So get ready to test yourself and improve your English step by step. Let's begin our prepositions practice quiz. This is a part 1 video and if you like this pattern, give one like so that I will provide you more videos and more topics like this. Let's begin our today's video. The cat is in the table. The cat is on the table. The cat is under the table. Look at the picture. The cat is on the table. We use on when something is touching and supported by a surface. The cat is on the table. She was born at July. She was born in July. She was born on July. We use in for months, years, and centuries. July is a month. So, she was born in July. I will meet you on 5 pm. I will meet you at 5 pm. I will meet you in 5 pm. We use at for exact time. 5 pm is the exact time. So, I will meet you at 5 pm. The cat is hiding between the chair. No. The cat is hiding on the chair. No. The cat is hiding under the chair. Yes. We use under when something is below another object. Something is below another object. Cat is hiding under the chair. We walked across the forest. We walked through the forest. We walked along the forest. We use through when moving inside from one side to other. One side to other. So we walked through the forest. He is standing at the door. He is standing in the door. He is standing on the door. We use at. Why? To show position. To show position at a specific point. He is standing at the door. The pen is on the bag. The pen is under the bag. The pen is in the bag. We use in to show inside something. To show inside something. The pen is in the bag. The picture is hanging on the wall. The picture is hanging in the wall. The picture is hanging under the wall. We use on when something is attached to a surface. Something is attached to a surface. The picture is hanging on the wall. The sun rises at the east. The sun rises on the east. The sun rises in the east. We use in with directions like in the east, in the north. The sun rises in the east. We sat in the tree. We sat at the tree. We sat under the tree. We use under when sitting below shade. Sitting below shade. We sat under the tree. The boys are playing on the park. The boys are playing at the park. The boys are playing in the park. We use in for enclosed or open places. Enclosed or open places like park. The boys are playing in the park. He threw the ball into the river. He threw the ball at the river. He threw the ball on the river. We use into for movement. For movement from outside to inside. Outside to inside. He threw the ball into the river. She is looking at the mirror. She is looking in the mirror. She is looking on the mirror. We use in when looking inside a surface. When looking inside a surface reflection. She is looking in the mirror. There is a bridge on the river. There is a bridge over the river. There is a bridge at the river. There is a bridge over the river. We use over when something is above. Something is above but not touching. There is a bridge over the river. He is waiting on the bus stop. He is waiting at the bus stop. He is waiting in the bus stop. We use at for specific public places. Bus stop is a public place. He is waiting at the bus stop. The children are swimming on the pool. The children are swimming at the pool. The children are swimming in the pool. We use in. When inside water, we use in. The children are swimming in the pool. The car stopped at the traffic light. The car stopped on the traffic light. The car stopped in the traffic light. We use at for fixed points or locations. Car stopped at the traffic light. The teacher is writing in the board. The teacher is writing on the board. The teacher is writing at the board. We use on for surfaces like blackboard. We use on. The teacher is writing on the board. The students are sitting in their desks. The students are sitting at their desks. The students are sitting on their desks. We use at for sitting in front of desk. Students are sitting at their desks. The train stopped at the platform. The train stopped on the platform. The train stopped in the platform. Platform is a location or stop. So, comment the correct preposition. The train stopped dash the platform. If you like this video, please give one like. If you want more videos like this or any other topics, please comment. Please tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.